Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to defrag your Windows 8 hard drive. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. I want to type in defrag. One of the best managers should come back with defragment and optimize your drives. Left click on that option. So we'll get a little prompt here saying optimize drives. You want to select whatever drive you want to scan here. So probably have a little Windows icon above the hard drive if it's your Windows hard drive here. So analyzing it just means how fragmented it is. And when you do optimize, it'll analyze and it will optimize. So it'll actually go about optimizing and defragging your hard drive. You can set your scheduling options as well through here. So changing settings, how often you want it to run. So run on a weekly basis, daily, or monthly, and you can also select what drives you want to scan as well. So let's just say we want to do a manual defrag here. Just going to select the drive we want to run. We want to defrag, and then left click on optimize. This will take some time, and as you can see, it currently will analyze the drive first before it goes ahead and defrags it. So pretty straightforward process here. Do hope I was able to help you guys out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.